Hello and welcome. Let us see on how we can determine the modulus or the size of a vector in 2D. So here we are considering point B whose position is 2, 3, meaning that it is 2 units along the x-axis and 3 units along the y-axis as shown here. Now, if we consider triangle OCB, you can see it is a right-angled triangle. So, the size of the vector OB, written that way, OB, or the modulus or the magnitude, will be given by OC squared plus CB squared. Then you get the square root. Note that OB is the hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, so we substitute. This is equal to our OC is 2, so you square 2 plus our CB is 3. Along this part here, you have 3 squared, then you get the square root, which is equal to 2 squared will give you 4 plus 3 squared will give you 9 square root, which is equal to square root of 13. So OB, the size or modulus of our vector is written as OB with these 2 bar to stand for the modulus size or the magnitude of our vector is equal to square root of 13. So in general, in 2 dimension, modulus of a vector xy is given by so modulus of our vector, let us call it V, vector V, written that way, V with the bar, double bar, to stand for modulus is given by x squared plus y squared square root, whereby x squared is the component along the x-axis and y squared is the component along the y-axis. Example, find the modulus of the following vectors. So you are going to find the modulus of the following vectors. Vector A. So modulus of vector A will be given by, this is the general formula here. Our x is 2, so you have 2 squared plus 3 squared square root. 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. 4 plus 3 will give you 13, square root of 13. So that is the modulus. Now for this other part, B, modulus of vector B, in our case, our A is 4, so you have 4 squared. Our B is 6 squared. Then you get square root. 4 squared will give you 16 plus 6 squared will give you 36. Then you obtain the square root. So 16 plus 36 will give you 52. Then you obtain the square root. You can leave it that way or you simplify. Now, modulus of B minus A. So first of all, you get the difference. You have 4, 6 minus 2, 3. First of all, you simplify that part. Once now you simplify, which is equal to 4 minus 2 will give you 4. 6 minus 3 will give you 3. So modulus of b, vector b minus vector a is equal to 4 squared plus 3 squared square root, which will give you 4 squared is 16 plus 3 squared is 3 squared will give you 3 squared will give you 9. So square root, this is equal to 25. So square root of 25 is 5. So modulus of b minus a is equal to 5 units. Is equal to 5 units. So thanks so much for taking time to study with me on how to obtain modulus or size of numbers in 2D. The next video you'll be focusing on how to find the modulus of a vector in 3D. Thanks so much. See you in the next presentation.